Hello, welcome back to Dimples in Arabian Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is burnt garlic fried rice. Quick and delicious rice recipe. So let's get started. So our main core ingredient is 2 whole garlic peeled and finely chopped, around half cup. So here have been cleaned and chopped our garlic, half cup of spring onions or onion greens, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of green chili, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder crushed, 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste, and pre-boiled basmati rice or any white rice or jasmine rice. So here in a hot pan, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil, any cooking oil for instance. Let it heat and just spread it all over. To this I'm adding chopped garlic, which has been cut into fine. Just saute for good 2 to 3 minutes. Keep on mixing and let it turn a little bit crispy and crunchy, and also it start changing its color, visibly brown color, and then you can add your green chilies which has been fine chopped, and quick mix for next 30 seconds. To this I'm adding salt, 1 teaspoon or as per your taste, and then the crushed pepper powder. So out of 2 tablespoons of crushed pepper, I'm using 1 tablespoon right now, and just saute it well for around 2 minutes. Now you can add the rice. This is pre-cooked rice without any moisture. So you just need to make sure that there is no moisture, and you can just part and divide and add it and keep on saute. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce or normal sauce, and then you can add the remaining 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper. Along with that, the remaining salt. Mix them, toss them together. Please add the spring onions greens right now. Save around 2 tablespoons for garnishing, or if not, then you can just serve it like that. Add in all together. Next 2 minutes, you just need to keep on mixing them. Be gentle and be easy. Switch off the flame after 2 minutes while the moisture gets completely evaporated. I think it's all done and set. It looks brilliant. So now serve them hot and enjoy. So hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe today. The burnt garlic fried rice, quick and easy recipe. So if you love and like my videos, do enjoy the videos. So then please subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Thanks for watching.